Welcome to my channel. In this video, we shall discuss about image processing with OpenCV and Python. We are all very fascinated taking photographs with mobile phones or DSLR cameras. And it is always fun modifying those images, like converting into a black and white, modifying its sharpness, changing the brightness and contrast of an image, adding some blur effects, and so on. How do we do it? Do we have any open source library functions for this? Yes, we do have. One such open source library functions that what we have is OpenCV, which is a huge open source library for computer vision and image processing. By the way, it is used for identifying the objects, faces, or even handwriting of a human. So to implement this, we use a programming language that is the Python, which is capable of processing OpenCV structure. So in this video, I shall be showing you how you can use your Python and OpenCV that will help to read an image, which is basically a two-dimensional array or a matrix, how you read an image and how you display an image. So I'll be using PyCharm as a platform to type my Python program and execute the program. So before that, a package has to be included to perform any activity on your image processing using your Python. So here you have a terminal option. On the terminal option in PyCharm, just check whether you have a OpenCV library function into your system or not. So I'll be using pip followed by install and then type OpenCV hyphen Python. If the library is already existed or if it is not existed, it will be installed automatically, or else it will just give you a message that required already satisfied because I have already installed OpenCV Python. So you can simply install OpenCV Python by just typing pip install OpenCV hyphen Python. So it's already there in my system. Now I'll be importing a package here, import CV2. I'm using a variable. I'll be taking img as a variable, and I have an inbuilt function called as imread, which will read a image by taking a file name. Let the file name is image1 with an extension JPG. Sometimes you also have to provide a flag to it. I will discuss those flags in the later videos. So I have read. imread is an inbuilt function which will help you to read an image. And now I have to display this. How do I display this? Again, I have an inbuilt function for this. I'll be using cv2 dot show show, which is going to display an image with the help of a window, and I specify the name of an window as image followed by your variable name, that is img. So this imshow will display an image using a window. Your image will be displayed on a window, and I'll be using another inbuilt function called as a wait key to sustain my image window till I press any key. So I'll be using cv2 wait key. This is where I have, and I have to specify the delay. Basically, I'll give the delay as 0, and this 0 indicates that to sustain your image window till you press any key. And this millisecond can be varied in terms of a millisecond. So here the delay can be given as in terms of a milliseconds. You can give 5,000 milliseconds, you can give 6,000 milliseconds, you can give 10,000 milliseconds. But when the delay is given as 0, it indicates that you have to wait until you press a key. That means you're sustaining an image window till you press any key. And once you press any key, the window has to be closed. To close the window, I will be using a function called as destroy all windows. So this is a program which is going to read an image and display an image on the window with the window name called as image, and wait key will sustain your image window till you press any key. Once you press any key, this is going to destroy all the windows here. So here is the program. Let me run the program here. I'll just run the program. Here we go. An image is being displayed on the screen. So now till I press any key, this will be sustained. I'll just press any key here and it will be destroyed. I mean, the window will be closed automatically. So very similar, I told you that this delay can be modified here. Let me make this delay as 5000 milliseconds, which is a 5 seconds. Basically, I'll save and I'll run. And the window will be opened with an image and closes after 5 seconds. Here we go. And the image will be closed after 5 seconds. So that's it. In the next video, we shall see what are the other operations where we can perform on the images using OpenCV and Python. Thank you.